Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Jeulia Jewelry item to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received this box. Jeulia Jewelry does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me another amazing piece, you guys. I cannot wait to open this up and see what it looks like in person. You guys know I am absolutely loving all of the jewelry that I have received from them. I have bracelets, necklaces, I have tons of rings, and my rings, this one is from Jeulia, and this 3-piece, actually all 3 out of 4 of these rings are all from Jeulia. So this one is a Jeulia's Jewelry ring right here. This one is the butterfly. It has some blue stones with the clear stones. And then here's my 3-piece set here. And then here's this one with the stars. Oh my gosh. And I literally wear these every single day. I don't clean them. I even leave them on when I'm in the shower. I only take them off at night because my man says I accidentally scratch him, I guess, at night. And so I don't want to be doing that. So I take them off at night while I'm sleeping only. And I leave everything else on. Oh, and they have watches now. I just got a Nightmare Before Christmas watch, I believe the last time, which is so, so beautiful. I love wearing that. So I just love all of the pieces that I've received from Jeulia Jewelry. I hear a lot of amazing feedback from a lot of you guys who've actually purchased from them as well. And you are loving your pieces just as much as I am. So I am definitely loving this company, you guys. So if you would like to see what I got this time, here is the box. It always comes in their box. It's black and silver. When you open this up, they have you covered if you are purchasing it for a gift. So if it is something for somebody else, there is this bag right on top. Inside the bag is also a cleaning cloth. So if this is for yourself, make sure you remember to remove the cleaning cloth because you can use the cleaning cloth, which is inside of this one. So down inside of here, again, here is the cleaning cloth, and you can use that to clean your jewelry. If it is for a gift, there is a greeting card you can write on here, and it has their logo on that side. And then here is the bag, and you can drop the item down inside, and you already have it in a bag ready to gift. Now, they do also give you this brochure. It changes all the time, which goes over some of their newer collections. I always look through this. I do have that bracelet, you guys. I have that bracelet too. Oh my, I love it. So here is some of their newest collections. And there's new items. There's some beach theme items. Yeah. So here's this whole little pamphlet that you can look through on some of their items, or you can look at their website and see everything that they have to offer. So they do also have this that says stop. If you do have something sized, there will be a tag on it. If you remove that tag, you cannot exchange or return your item. So that's what this tells you right here. Do not take anything off. Make sure it fits you 100% first before removing any tags, or else they won't refund it. So make sure you leave them on until you know for a fact it fits 100%, and then you can remove it. And then down in here is where the goods are. So if this was for a gift, you can take that, stick it right down in here, write your card, stick it in there with the cleaning cloth, and then you're all set. But if this is not for a gift and it's for yourself and you're just spoiling yourself, then you don't need to know about the bag. You want to know what's inside of here. So once you open it, the item is going to be down inside of there. And this time, you guys, it's not Nightmare Before Christmas. Did you expect that one? I do switch it up because it's not just about me. I want to show you guys some amazing pieces too. So I'm not just going to be selfish and only choose what I want. Even though I want to. So this time I did get some earrings, you guys. Look at how gorgeous those are. There's that, and yeah. So there is the actual dangly piece, and then the top piece does have some stones that go right in the top as well. I'm not quite sure if you're going to pick up on it here, but I will drop some other footage of just the earrings by themselves so you can get a better look. That is so pretty. So there's 2 of them. They're in separate bags, so they're not touching each other or anything like that. So there you go. Those are gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because these right here are actually Jeulia Jewelry, the bottom hoop. And what I'm going to do is just kind of move everything up one hole. That's what I'm gonna do. But these are also from Jeulia Jewelry. Now my earrings, I never take any of my earrings off, so these never come off unless I'm actually switching them or trying something on. But here is this set, and they just have like the clear stones right in the front of them. I really do like these, but now that I have a new set, I need to move them up. So I'm gonna take out one of them. That's a cute look. I'm trying to find my hole. That's not my job. So let's see. I got it. Oh, I put it right back in the same damn hole. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, I see. Okay. Wait, is that a hole? Or is that a freckle? I went right back in the same hole again. Holy moly. There we go. Okay, so now I have both of them, I have both of them in. So now the bottom two holes are both earrings from Jeulia Jewelry, and then the top two are just my cheap things that I wear all the time, never take out. So there's that. Those are so pretty though. And I like that there's a dangle. I like that. So there you go. What do you guys think? I have a dangle. I like those. Super, super pretty. Again, all of their pieces are just absolutely stunning, you guys. You would probably love anything from their site because I know everything that I've tried has been absolutely amazing. So I'm really, really glad that they got a hold of me and they asked me to do another review for you guys because I'm loving this jewelry. There we go. Okay, you guys, so if you want to know a little bit more about Jeulia Jewelry, I will also play at the end a video that I got from their website. I love watching it. I love playing it for you guys. So hopefully you guys like watching it as well. I'll play that at the end. But if you were to choose a ring, because at first I wasn't doing rings because I thought they wouldn't have them as big for my big old little chunky fingers. But their ring sizes actually go from size 3 all the way up to size 15. So, and every half size in between as well. So definitely they go to really big sizes. They can make them whatever size that you would like. So you can measure your own finger or have a ring size. I have a little cheap ring size thing that I bought like off of eBay. I'm sure you can get off Amazon. And so whenever I do get a ring, I'll use those to figure out which size that I would like for which finger. And they're very inexpensive. So if you are ever trying to figure out what size, you could always use one temporarily at a store like Joanne sells them. You can try out your finger, figure out which size, or you can just purchase a cheap one to keep on hand. But again, their ring sizes go from 3 to 15 and all half sizes in between. I do have a code, which is SheCrafty15, which will get you 15% off your purchase if you wanted to purchase anything from their site. Again, I will link them all down below so you can go to their direct website and see everything that they do have. Now, Jeulia Stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it's more scratch resistant for everyday wear. And definitely, again, I never take mine off during the day. I don't have anything wrong. None of my jewelry anything has ever happened to them. It's just made of such good quality and it's all handmade, you guys. The craftsmanship is just, I can't believe how good their jewelry is. Now, unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standards to protect our environment. So they do have like a little scale on their website that talks about a mined diamond versus their Jeulia stone. Looks like a diamond? Check. Check. Durable? Check. Check. Hardness, Jeulia's is a 9, while a mined diamond is a 10. It's only one number under a real mined diamond, being their proprietary stone that they make. Now, density, Jeulia stone is a 5.70. A mined diamond is a 3.52. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia, not for the mined diamond. And potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond. And you're going to save a whole lot of money going to a Jeulia stone than a mined diamond. Measuring an impressive 9 out of possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to simulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. They also offer 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99, a 1-year warranty. They have flexible financing, secure shopping, and all of their jewelry is 925 sterling silver. So you guys can definitely check them out. Again, I'll have everything linked down below. If you would like to check out that video I was telling you about, here you go.
My name is Laura and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear, it's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
Okay, you guys, so that is the video. I love watching it because it shows you how much care goes into how they're actually hand making all of their jewelry items. And again, everything that I have seen and I've heard other people getting, anything that I've received, everything is just amazing. And I just really, really love this company. So thank you again so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me another amazing piece. I am loving these earrings so much. I'm so glad that I get to add them to all my other wonderful pieces that they have sent to me. You guys comment down below. Have you purchased anything from Jeulia Jewelry? Do you want to? Again, SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off your order. And yeah, so that is everything that I have to show and tell you for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.